Welcome, here I've got Samsung Galaxy Z Flip3 5G and I'm gonna show you how to change volume button function in the camera app at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. The volume buttons at this device are here from the right, so let me try to use them now to see how they work with the camera. And as you can see now, by tapping on them, I can easily take a picture. To change its function, let's go to the left corner button. When we pick it, we can open the camera settings. Now let's slide simply down to useful features category, and here we have to pick shooting methods. Now at the first position, we can see the press volume keys 2 option, so when we tap on it, we can decide to use this as take picture or record video, which is now zoom in or out, and control system volume. So let me change it now to zoom to show you how it works different, and let's move back to the camera. Now let me try to use volume buttons once again. And as you can see, I can easily get closer to my subject and also go back, so I can use zoom by tapping on volume buttons. That's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.